Let me first thank NASSCOM for inviting me to this conclave on corporate social responsibility and on fostering knowledge communities. ICT has transformed corporate social responsibility, and the proof is too solid to be ignored. Industries and corporate organizations are putting to use the numerous capabilities of ICT to deepen their CSR-related activities. ICT is redefining CSR. ICT and entrepreneurial goal setting now drive the CSR evolution. I wish to present 4 major themes and 1 case study that defines CSR in the age of ICT. First, over the past 10 years and more, CSR has blossomed as an idea as well as a coherent practical program. The scope of CSR has evolved, but the core of CSR has remained stubbornly stable. CSR is still deemed to be an expression of or as a demonstration of good corporate citizenship. It presupposes a choice that companies and industries can exercise in the society in which they operate. They can choose to be good citizens or be otherwise without impacting their businesses in any manner. CSR in such circumstances is an adornment, an accessory and an option. It is negotiable and can be modified to suit the circumstances and the pressure groups that drive the CSR agenda. The ICT does not meet CSR as an option. Companies in the ICT sector do not have to demonstrate good corporate citizenships. They are good corporate citizens. The options to be otherwise is not required. I'm very happy that the industry will never want the option to be otherwise. Second, there are some doubts about the effectiveness of the CSR programs. There is the concern that CSR may function to detract attention from or even legitimize some corporate practices that can adversely affect improvement. I can say with conviction that ICT industry is neither a part of the distraction nor a cause of the adverse outcomes, if any, in global development. The development of ICT has generated a raft of benefits that are non-invasive. ICT and ICT industry, therefore, do not have the need to soften or mask any costs imposed on their own growth. ICT industry does recognize that we need to create and expand the positive benefits of development so that the development can be sustained. We constitute a connected and committed community. A range of common pursuits characterize this connection. I understand this firsthand from a position of relative clarity. HCL Technologies and SSN institutions have spawned a cohesive and expanding knowledge community. This knowledge community serves sustainable development in 3 related ways. First, as a business that transforms businesses so that these businesses can intelligently sustain themselves, their customers and constituencies. Second, this knowledge community serves empowered educationists and institutions that serve knowledge-seeking communities everywhere in the world. This knowledge community also serves the ever-deepening research and development efforts at firms and institutions in many parts of the world. Third, we know education is the key to understand human evolution and the major problems that confront society. Our approach puts engineering and management at the core of education as a basic effort pertinent to CSR. The knowledge community spawned by Mr. Nada 3 decades ago is now deeply involved in education. These are 3 components of my second theme. I move to the third theme. A normative understanding of CSR is growing, and this is very unsettling. CSR is now an industry in its own right. It is a profession that is flourishing. CSR consultancies advise companies on how to do CSR and how to tell the world that they are doing CSR. Doing CSR is driven by the need to mask cost of growth and development. The ICT industry believes CSR should make it possible for all constituencies to receive positive benefits from growth and development. The ICT industry will continue to redefine CSR. It has engendered a society that sees the positive benefits of ICT as internal to it and uses ICT to measure costs of growth and development and to find apt methods aimed at eliminating them. This is the connect that ICT has brought about. It is path-breaking empowerment and has begun to redefine CSR. ICT is now helping countries to overcome all manners of limitation and lack of physical resources. It is helping many more people become more resourceful. The ICT industry has boldly set out a collective, inclusive and global agenda for building up prosperity based on resourcefulness.